Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Dealer Mike. Evening. Right. Thanks so much for the reviews on the car boot video. That's done well. Anyway, welcome to the channel. Something quite serious today. No messing about. I need to remove the forks and the stem to release the handlebars, because these forks and the bars are getting repainted. They're going off to the paint shop. I like survivor condition bikes, I love them, but these forks, there's no decals on it. They're completely faded and paint flaking, and they just need really good paint. And a little guide as to how to do it, because when I first got BMXs a couple of years ago, I had no clue, nothing, and all this is self-taught, and it's actually easier than you think it is. I'll give you a step-by-step guide to what tools you need, and that sort of thing. We're going to be removing the headset cups, dropping the forks out, remove the brakes, and that sort of thing. Right, first things first, the first thing you need is a coffee. Forget your tools, just a coffee. Right, obviously, any parts you take off, keep safe. Stem pad is off. The dotty grips are off. To get them off, put a bit of WD behind the grip in there, and just twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. Be patient with them. They've not been on for 40 years. Be patient. Twist and turn, twist and turn. Get a pair of extra grip gloves if you can, and just twist and twist. And once you get halfway down that stem pad, or that bar, halfway down to here, you'll then start to see some movement, and just keep on twisting and turning, and they'll come off. Keep them safe, you'll need them later. Right, brakes. Just undo the little bolt here, and that will just loosen them up, and then they can slide off. You don't need to take a whole lot apart, just loosen them up, they can slide off, and then you're good to go. Try not to lose any bolts, do the bolts back up again, like that. That's obviously the front brake. Front brake, just a simple screwdriver, not a screwdriver, a spanner type thing. Loosen that nut there, and that'll come off. Bit of WD on them. Again, keep the retaining bolts in place. And they should then slide off. You've got that little bit of air. So on the brake caliper, you've got, I've just lost it. Anyway, I'll find it in a minute. You've got that little bolt there and that. Keep them somewhere safe. Let's find that bolt, hang on. That's it, and that's the brake caliper off. It's got the original Scar blocks and that. They're getting new cables fitted. Keep everything intact so you don't lose it all. Alright? So that's the front brake and caliper off. Right, to release the stem, what we need is a simple Allen key. There it is. Little Allen key like that. That's got to go on top of a stem. There'll be a close-up photograph of this I'll put in, so don't worry if you can't see it. Bit of WD in the bolts, and just turn. You've got 5 bolts here. Just turn the Allen key clockwise, anti-clockwise. Yeah, anti-clockwise. Turn the bolts. Do one at a time. Keep all the bolts nice and even in terms of they're loosening up. Pretty straightforward so far. Nothing that is out of the ordinary in terms of tools. Then you can start to see it loosen up. Yeah, this bike is 100% original, down to a padlock. It's funny because I'm getting the bars repainted, but I'm leaving the padlock on. Why? I don't know. Should I take it off? Anyway, yeah. Once you got them to a point where they're loose, just loosen them up with your fingers. Do one at a time evenly. That's how I do it anyway. Some people just go the whole hog and do one bolt off and start the other three. I like to loosen up each one in turn. And then the bolts come off. So you've got 4 bolts like that. So you've got 4 bolts. 4 of them plus the 5th one. The camera focusing. Is that focusing the camera? That's it, focus. Yeah, sorry guys, I'll check that if it's focused or not. Yeah, 4 of them. Take them off. 2, 3, 4. And then that lifts us off. That's the top of the SR stem. That also is going to get repaint. Yeah, lovely SR stem. Going to get a nice fresh coat of paint on that. Put the bolts back in there. Keep them safe. Like that. Then the bars just then lift off. I've still got the brake from the back. Again, lift it off. Turn it slowly. And that's your rear brake lever off. You've got little cable ties there. That's that. And just tighten it up and fix it down there near the rear brake. And that is your front bars off. And as you can see, those bars are desperate for a repaint. Paint bubbling. Obviously I'll take this pad off here. But yeah, really bad condition, those bars. So bars off. Now, to release the stem, we need this tool here. I don't know what it's called. It's one of them. You want this smaller one out of the 2. So stick that in there and just turn it clockwise, I think it is. Turn it clockwise, hold down on the forks. That's it. No, it goes anti-clockwise, sorry. Anti-clockwise. Just twist and twist. Keep an eye on it very slowly. Twist, twist, twist. And you'll then see it lift up. You can then hear like a grinding noise. That's the bearings. Yeah? Twist it. Very slowly twist it. And that there is the stem. That stem hasn't been out since 1982. Remember, this is a March. I think it's March 1982 tuff, and that stem has never been out of its tube. put the retaining top back on the stem so we don't lose it. And that is an original Survivor black top SR stem. Keep that safe. Have some more coffee. Right. So what's left to do? We've got the headset to come off and the bottom cups and the top cup. So release the headset cup comes off. Like that. Headset cup. Down here. Right, I'm bringing you closer so you can get some better angles. Right, so I released the stem, which left this headset here. Headset. That just turns that way. That comes off. Down there with the... I've got an old hand here, look. Yeah, don't know why. Anyway, then this is already loose. Now you guys watch closely. You can see the bearings start to appear. I need someone to hold his fork. Hang on. This wheel, right. So yeah, basically turn that, and then that will release the bearings. Hang on. Right, plan B. There was never going to be a plan B, but I released the top nut from the headset, and then between the headset and the next little nut thing you turn is a tiny little metal ring, which I completely forgot was there. So I was turning up the headset, as you would have seen, and I then paused it, didn't I, to say, hang on, I need someone to hold the fork so it's not turning. I was turning the headset into the ring and then I messed it up. Completely screwed up the headset. So I've had enough. I've gone out for fish and chips, and I will fix it. I'll just, it needs turning back down again. But I think it's gone into the ring. And there's me blagging about how easy it is. Anyway, guys, I'll put out a video later in the week about how I fix the headset. But yeah, is what it is, isn't it? Sometimes you've got to laugh at yourself and say you useless turd. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Thanks for all your support. Yeah, hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you later on in the next one. Thanks for watching. Have a safe week, and I'll see you later on. Thank you.